Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore Ishares Bitcoin Trust in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be perceived as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.21. Let's take a closer look at the ETF's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 42.99% since we first listed Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.54% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 42.69% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 16.12% to 42.69%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 25.08% over the next year, with potential returns varying from minus 20.85% to 16.51%. This translates to a price range between $42.52 and $62.59 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust includes the headline, Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to strong buy candidate after the Wednesday trading session. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price gained 1.94% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, rising from $52.70 to $53.72. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.09%, with a day low at $53.06 and a day high of $54.17. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 23.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day by 12 million shares, with a total of 67 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.58 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $54.17, while the lowest price was $22.02. Currently, the price is 0.83%, or 45 cents, below the 52-week high of $54.17, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund are set to significantly influence its stock price both in the short and long term. The launch of options trading for this fund, following a similar move by Grayscale, enhances the trading landscape for investors, offering more regulated mechanisms for hedging and profit generation. This is likely to attract institutional interest, particularly as Bitcoin has recently reached new all-time highs with reduced volatility, signaling greater investor confidence in a sustained bull market for cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the recent Trump effect is creating a bullish sentiment across markets. With Bitcoin sharply increasing in value and institutions beginning to actively manage Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, the perception of this fund as a viable investment continues to strengthen. As investors recognize it as a tool for both speculation and risk management, market momentum could build, potentially driving prices further upwards in the coming months. In the long term, If institutional adoption continues alongside regulatory clarity, this fund could emerge as a staple in diversified portfolios, solidifying its status in the evolving landscape of digital assets. Overall, these factors position this fund favorably for both immediate gains and sustained growth, making it a noteworthy stock in the current financial climate. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing an optimistic outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels can be found at $51.79 and $41.46. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far, the fund has increased by 76.65%. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, close observation of the exchange-traded fund is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 54 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average registered a buy signal 12 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average gave a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal 28 days ago. For further signals and insights, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $52.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.11 between its high and low points, which represents a change of 2.09%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.73%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the ETF could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $52.22, which represents a decrease of 2.8%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to its elevated risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, significantly increasing that risk. There is currently a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 53 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exhibits several positive signals and is currently positioned within a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Consequently, we believe it is a favorable option at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our assessment of this ETF since the previous evaluation, upgrading it from a hold accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of November, we expect the Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open lower, down by 7 cents, starting at $53.65. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.